Hey everyone, JT's Daddy 21 back again. Gonna break a box of Hot Prospects 08-09 basketball. It's my first one of this product. The serial ID is that. A lot of you have been wondering why I record that, and that's plainly just for quality purposes. Sometimes Upper Deck do make mistakes and we'll short some of their products, and this is basically just tracing which products are faulted, and we could provide them proof of the fault that's in the box, and hopefully they could just see the proof and have the card replaced or the whole box replaced. Who knows? Anyways, let's get to it. Hot Prospects 08-09, 5 cards per pack and 18 packs per box. Let's quickly go through the base, and I think we do have a hit right here. So Costa Koufos autograph patch or jersey, probably a patch, and this one is numbered 22 of 25. Must be the red parallel. Cool. First pack. That might be the big hit of the box. Maybe there might be more, who knows, but I think that might be it for us. But hopefully that doesn't kill the suspense of all the rest of the packs. Inserting a bunch of bases. Space, dummy, and insert. Space. Oh, we got a jersey card of Richard Jefferson, single jersey, gray piece. Numbered 113 of 199. Dummy and insert. Base, dummy, and insert. Base, dummy, insert. Base, dummy, insert. Base. Base, dummy, insert. Now it looks like we have another patch hit right here. Well, we'll save, we'll add a little suspense and save that one for last. How about that? Base, dummy, and insert. Because you know, we have to add a little bit of suspense to keep you tuned in, and see what we get at the end. Who knows what kind of hit it could be. space, insert. Space. Jordan insert, not bad. Alright, so the hit for this pack, space, we have a Jason Thompson patch autograph, rookie, numbered 189 of 399. So it looks like we have 2 rookie autographs and a jersey card of a veteran, all serial numbered. So 1 red parallel, 1 regular, and it looks like both single colored patches. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.